Hello, beautiful people out there. So this recipe is adobo chicken from the Philippines. It was a great honor to make this recipe. It was so easy and simple. So fun facts, the Philippines is made out of 7,600 islands. It's an island country in Southeast Asia, also known for its chocolate hills and its beautiful beaches. So for this recipe, we're going to create a marinade, which is half soy sauce, half vinegar, and 4 spoons of sugar cane. We're also going to be adding peppercorns to our marinade and a handful of bay leaves. And you could use any part of the chicken that you like. I use drumsticks just because I like drumsticks. So now I let the marinade sit overnight, letting the chicken absorb all the flavors from my marinade. And now I'm gonna cook the chicken. So in one large skillet, you're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and you want to add your pieces of chicken, and we're just gonna brown the chicken on each side. Another fun fact about the Philippines is that the Philippines was named after King Philip II from Spain. When the Spanish explorers came, they saw the islands and decided to name them after King Philip II. Also, this recipe is actually an indigenous recipe, which they will marinate the meat and then slowly cook it. Believe it or not, this is a slow cooking recipe. And the reason why it's called adobo is because when the Spanish explorers came, they saw how the indigenous people made their meat. And in Spanish, they said, oh, they adoban la carne, which adobo means to marinate the meat, pretty much. Anyway, so the chicken, you want to brown it on each side. Now I'm turning the chicken over to brown it on the other side of the chicken. Also, another fun fact about the Philippines is that the Philippines is made out of eruptive volcanic forms, and it's 25% forest, which I thought was very interesting, beautiful people. So once you've browned the chicken on each side, you want to add the remaining marinade. And this is it. This is a very, very simple recipe. Once we've added the remaining marinade, you're going to cover your skillet and you're just going to forget about it for a good 30 to 45 minutes. And you're going to lower your heat to about low medium. And once the sauce has thickened, look at how the sauce is looking. Look at the consistency, the velocity of the sauce, that you know that your chicken is cooked. So here I'm just adding my garnishment, which was chopped up scallions. I invite you all to please try this recipe at home. Please feel free to subscribe, comment. Bye, beautiful people.